Hello everybody. Today we will learn the revision of one and many, and it will be fun. So in our revision of one and many, we need to know first the definition of one and many. That means we have already learned this, but today I am going to retouch this matter. So what do you mean by one? You know it very clearly. That means one thing. One means one thing. It can be one thing, it can be one person, one object, anything. That is called one in quantity of one. And the another name of it is singular. What is it? Singular. And the next thing is many. Many means, what do you mean by many? Many, that means more than one. It can be two, it can be three, it can be many things, but it should be more than one. একের থেকে বেশি. That means many. And another name of many is plural. What is it? Plural. Okay, so one means one things, another name is singular, and the other is many, that means more than one, another name is plural. This chapter is clear to you now? Okay, so our next step is to change one from many. How we will change it? So keep it in mind, children. When we are going to change any word from one to many, we will add s. We will add s to the end of the word. Where? To the end of the word. So whenever we are trying to change a word from one to many, we are going to add s to the end of the word. Okay, there are many ways to change a word from one to many, but in this beginning stage we will only learn to add s. Okay, but there are many stages that can be used to change a word from one to many. Well, children, today we will practice one and many in an unique way, in a different way. How it is different? Because today we will practice it with the help of some fruits. Yes, we all eat fruits and we all know the name of some fruits. So let's have a look and learn one and many with the help of some fruits. Okay, come. So can you tell me the name of the fruit? Yes, surely you can. Yes, the name of the fruit is watermelon. Now, little children, tell me, how many seeds are there in the watermelon? One seeds or many seeds? Yes, the answer is many seeds. So, watermelon has many seeds, right? Now, on the other hand, we have mango. It's a very juicy fruit. We all love to eat mango. Tell me, how many seeds are there inside a mango? Yes, one seed. So, inside a mango, there is one seed. So, see the difference? Watermelon, many seeds. Mango, one seed. So, here is the difference between one and many. Now, we can apply it also. Now let's try to change the following words from one to many. I am supplying some pictures and I am telling it. I will tell the one and you will guess the many. What will be the answer in the many section? Okay, I know you all can do it. So let's start the game. See, I have one small cat here. Now tell me, children, what will come in the many section? One cat, many cats. The spelling is C-A-T-S. That means we are adding S to the end of the word. Cat, cats. Now see the picture. Tell me which animal is this? Yes, our favorite dog. See the spelling? D-O-G, dog. This is one dog. And what will come with the many section? One dog, many dogs. D-O-G-S. Again I am putting S to the end of the word. See, I have one egg. What is the spelling? E-G-G, egg. And in many section it will be eggs. E-G-G-S. Again I am adding S at the end of the word. So it is egg, eggs. Now see, this is tree. One tree. In the many section we will write many trees. Spelling T-R-E-E, just like tree, and we will add S at the last of the word. So it is tree, one tree, many trees. Next see, one balloon. B-A-L-L-O-N. And at the right side we have many balloons. B-A-L-L-O-N-S. Yes, one balloon, many balloons. Next, I have one pencil. P-E-N-C-I-L, pencil. At the right side, many pencils. P-E-N-C-I-L-S. We are adding S only. So, one pencil, many pencils. Now see, toy. A very beautiful toy. T-O-Y, toy. And the right side there are so many toys. T-O-Y-S. Only we are adding S. So one toy, and this is many toys. Right. Now see, there is one guitar. See the spelling of the guitar? G-U-I-T-A-R, guitar. And in the right side we have many guitars. G-U-I-T-A-R-S, guitars. So this is one guitar, many guitars. Next, one rose. R-O-S-E, rose. And the other hand we have many roses. R-O-S-E-S. Why here I am saying E-S? Because from the rose spelling we are taking R-O-S-E and we are adding S only. So rose, roses. Now I hope you all learned the difference between one and many, and you will practice it, and this is your revision part, so you will revise it. Till then, take care of your health. Thank you for listening to me, dear children.